In this video, I hope to give you solution how to fix color lines or vertical lines on your uh, iPhone's display. You can see here several color lines and white lines on the display. This may occur according to the water damage or moisture damage on your uh, display's connectors. You can clean it using suitable alcoholic solution. You can see here uh, this pin. Now I hope to show you something, because some alcoholic solution or cleaning solution of your connectors does not work properly. Therefore we need to check another method. But sometimes alcoholic solution cleaning sometimes work for you. In this video I will show you display replacement. This is the best method. Now I hope to show you something, because sometimes motherboard connectors has this error. In this method, if a motherboard connectors has some error, white lines are not fixing under the display replacement. You can see here several technique. You can carefully remove metal plate and you can carefully disconnect your display just like that. Now you can see here display ribbon. You can clean. I think this won't fix. Now you can see here, I hope to change display connectors just like this, and I hope to add new display. You can see here it is being started. I hope to turn on iPhone. You can see here it is loading. Now you can see Apple logo is loaded. Now you can see here, especially this may take several seconds. You have to wait several seconds. I will show you. Now you can see here white logo is loading. Now you can see here display has opened. Now you can see clear display. There are no vertical lines. It means your motherboard connectors are good, but display connectors are not good. You can see here it is working. You can change display. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and remember to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new technical updates.